Why am I keep on doing this? I'm always trying to like vlog. I didn't even stop. Like do like those TikTok things, but I always come back to vlogging. I always come back to you guys, no matter what. I always come back. I think I would like that. Guys, let me try to fix my I'm getting dressed, so I love my outfit. Okay, I'm done. Okay, we're going to main mall now. I want to buy a few things before start going to school. So okay, let's spend a day together. Let's go. You can see it. This is my outfit today. Perfect. Ikaw nang sanakon. Kapag kami. No, I'm not. I'm fine. Good. Seltane.
Vanilla.
Nindzinga lelinye yilena ngeke kufana. Almost similar to the cream when there is move. Like, I'm just looking here brunch. I don't need to buy anything. Things that they have so that I just, plan ahead. Just in case. Don't really want to buy anything, I promise you. I'm just looking so that I'm just like, I don't have the funds to buy anything. Yes. Oh my God, yes. 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 Oh, okay.
17,000.
She's your cup. One day you'll be mine. One day you'll be mine. Oh my God, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. We love the camera.
Until page 17 Pro iPhone.
Manifesting you. I am manifesting.
Clean. Like what's correct is go on this one. Yeah, I don't have it. It's so important. It's more important.